loading up over black.
Mundundi Musal Pandaga. Road work is going on. So by next time when we come, when we'll go to West Bengal and Kolkata, we'll come to see nice roads. Straight only. Again the off-road started. Come on Araku, come on. Where are you? There is no coconut water. Again the off-road starts. They are going to make it a toll road, I think so. I am hungry. Terribly hungry, bros. Tarkarama Organics. Now I have to saddle, I think. Better to overtake him. Check out this river. People are bathing and washing their clothes there. Roads are a bit smooth. New roads and bit patchy. Royal resorts, it seems. Let's wait for him. So let's go Araku. Another 5 kilometers. Mobile is not charging only. I don't know why. Here comes our Araku Andhra Ooty. See this woman. She is a tribal. And this fellow also. It's almost Ooty like thing only. Rajiguda waterfalls, Kakti. Actually there is no plan after this one Araku, where to go, which direction to go, or which district to go. So this is Araku railway station or for bus stand, railway station maybe. Nice aroma. Totally Ooty replica only. I feel the same thing. Why is he dancing like this, boy? Enduku boya? Ayya, Mahaprabhu. Ikkada chudu, veedu akada vachindu. This is Odisha vehicle. We'll wait here. So we are in Araku. ఇప్పుడు ఊటీకి పోయినా కూడా ఈ టైంలో ఇట్టే ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఫుడ్ తిందాంరా. ఇది ఫస్ట్ అంతా ఇంకేద్దామా? దొరికిందా హోటల్ నీకు? Let's go and check out Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. Tribal museum is also there. We'll check out later. I think this is Bongolo chicken. Because season is off, that's why there is no one. Adugo. Let him inquire. Reception is here. Campfire, golden its shade. Let's put it in a shade. It was a flop. So it was a flop and battery is 1% only. I'll talk to later back. Right now the plan is changed. Let's go. నేను చూసిన రెండు ఇదొకటి ఉన్నట్టుంది. అది కూడా 12 hours. అదే డబ్బా ఒకటిలో ఉన్నా చూడు. Now you're okay? Okay baby? So room is finalized. Let's go and check in. Nainara? What about it? Not help see. So let's get in. First floor, thank God. The room was very good. Oh, wow, more than enough. So I will catch you later. Bye. Right now, my small work has been come with the RS. We're tightening the mirror. So only we have come to a mechanic now. Now we are going to explore Araku Valley. Let's see what is there and what is not there, and I'll let you wherever the camera is allowed. I'll let you know. Check out the streets of Araku. Right side lo vastadi golden days street, looks like a golden days. Right now we are searching Araku museum. Let's check it out where the museum is. I had seen it. I had seen a glimpse of it on the right side. Exactly, I don't remember where the museum is. Let's check it out. Let's check out tribal museum. This is the entry. This is Araku tourism destination, tribal museum, Padmapuram gardens, Ranaji Ledda waterfalls, Peddalabudu cottages, Girigrama Darshini, Kollaputtu cottages. Just check out the names, whatever you want to see in this area. Let's go. This is a model type. They have given the village site here. Check out the model. Let's go there inside. Some designs have been made by this.
Araku Valley, built to preserve the traditions of tribal culture and carrying forward.
It's all the grains here that Adivasis cultivate, I think so. Let's go inside. So, these are the hunters, I think. Non-poaching wild buffalo hunts. Grinding grains. Madhya Janta Stone. It's all a replica only. I've seen women wearing the saris like this one only yesterday. Machamoradi fishing basket. Fishermen's. Tumba water guard. Chikanola. Praying sun god, I think. Yes, they are praying sun god. Sun, water, rat trap, Ranga Petimas football, Contra Petalmouth guard. What is it mean? Google. These are the muzzles they were using, I think. Muzzles, hats, everything. Check out this. Shodi with the bird's nest. Pushing on each other. Muscle pounding stick. Ragi bundi is done. I don't know what is ragi bundi. And here some Holy Lake festival, I think. Check this out. They are having music. Kitty party like it. The temple of Adivasis. It seems. Let's go inside. Oh, check this out. The priest, I think. They are built very well. Check this out. Let's go upwards and check it out. What is there in the upper portion? Check out these crops, mushrooms. And these are some mushrooms, kailo, grains, sheepagai, tamarind, long fruit, mangoes, custard apple. He is growing custard apple, he is plucking custard apple, I think. And honey also there. Let's go. Here, farming. Different tools that were used in agriculture, I think. Check the fields. Check out the tribal house. The marriage ceremony. Ultimately, check out the marriage ceremony. Go down. Let's go on the other side. Check this out. A doctor like me, I think so. The jewelry they were wearing, I think so. Necklaces, I think. Check out this one. Muscle pounding stick. Bottles and vessels, I think. Fishing net. Check out some shopping. The dancing stage, it seems, but it's closed now. I don't think so. It's open. It's open in the season, maybe. Let me show you. Here, tribal museum. Let's go out and check out other things. What's there? So there are 3 zones in Araku. Let's go. This is one of the zone, Anantagiri zone, where Borra Caves is there. These are the markets of Araku. We have come to a chocolate factory. Let me show you. Let's go in. Everything is only for kids. That coffee was nice, but camera was not allowed. That's why I couldn't take any shots. Let's go now.